security updates are the essential part of any smart device for better performance. Now, Huawei has started to roll out June 2021 update for Mate 20 series global variants. The June 2021 security patch comes with fixes for several issues in the software kernel and provides better system security. This latest software update brings upgraded EMUI 11 version 160 and update package size of 231 MB. However, this update is expanding in batches, so it may take some time to arrive on your device. What's improved with June 2021 security patch? Well, this security update fixes different levels of exploits and issues, including 2 critical and 13 high level of CVEs for improved system security. Huawei Mate 20 users can check for this software update by going into your smartphone setting. Then visit Software and Updates section and tap on the Updates button and check for updates. If update appears, then download and install the software update. On the other hand, Huawei has recently officially listed all the features of EMUI 12 that includes a brand new design and a lots of new features over EMUI 11. However, it is still unknown that Huawei is interested in rolling out the same software update for Huawei Mate 20 series along with the other flagship, or it has planned to debut Harmony OS 2 instead. That's it for now. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit HC Newsroom